Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ryan King. I'm a certified prosthetist orthotist with Regen.
And I'm Brandon Bechtel. We're both the owners of Regen.
Sure. So one of the first things that we decided to delve into at Regen is kind of a unique way of going about printing a prosthetic cover for both transtibial and transfemoral level amputations. One of the things that we wanted to address, and this kind of came about with talking with Jeff Eschenberg at Top Prosthetics, with the prevalence of some of the newer hybrid feet. One of the issues a lot of people, were expressing to us were that when they would wear pants, it would blow, and the pant leg would actually get kind of pushed back into this recess in the arc of the hybrid foot. Other issues that came across were with a polycentric knee, which a lot of people use toe knees. How close we could actually get the cover to this, to make it look more anatomically correct. To install the mounting collar, it's super easy. It's just one 3mm Allen wrench,
A couple screws.
What I typically like to do while I'm fitting this, like I said, if you have this on, the person's still wearing their prosthesis, I kind of leave this a little bit loose, and I just open this up. It fits right around this collar, and all we do is just fasten these clips. And that's all you have to do to secure the prosthetic. With the collar being loose, you can move it around to whatever height you think it should be at. Whatever angle you want it to tilt at in the sagittal plane here. Even some coronal plane movement a little bit. Once you get it there, you can kind of just pop the right back off. Tighten down the screws. And you're good to go. Boom. And you can see it fills in this gap really well. Shape looks very anatomical. We got this coming up, about as close as you can get it to the anterior aspect of the knee. We have it so the blade comes out the back. It flexes. It doesn't interfere with any kind of motion of the foot. Do you know typically roughly what the weight of something like this would be?
We're usually about 500 grams or less on average. If you've got a really tall AK cover, then they might run a little bit more. I think I've seen maybe up to 550 or so. But then again, we've done some really small covers, and ones for little kids. We had one for a 3-year-old, and that one weighed less than 100 grams.
So there you go. It's lightweight. We can make it for hybrid feet. You can bash it with pretty much whatever you want. We can make it for any knee, any foot. We've even done a hip disarticulation cover, which is pretty cool too. Maybe we can put something like that up in the future. Again, you do not have to take the person's prosthesis from them. It's something that we can scan, fabricate, and install in just a matter of minutes. Yeah, let us know if you guys have any questions, any inquiries about anything at all. We'd love to answer questions, and we hope some of you guys might like to give us a shot at some point.
Yeah, take a look at the website, www.regenprosthetics.com. We've got a whole host of different finish options there that you can take a look at. We've got a practitioner packet for you guys to download and take a look at. You can look at the checklist for everything that we might need.
Very competitive pricing.
Yes, we base our prices on the insurance L codes that you bill, so we try to make it a win-win for everybody when we bill for these.
Cool, guys.
Thank you.
Have a great day.